Bon, on y va? C'est parti. Bonjour everybody, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new. My name is Luisa. You are watching Loulou C'est la vie, and for today's video I am going to show you a few of my favorite hairstyle updos, I think that's how you call it in English, and I'm going to share with you how I make them. I don't know how many I'm going to do today. I think I have 3 for sure. Maybe 4, who knows, and yeah, and that's gonna be fun. Yeah. Before I get into the meat of this video, if you have watched more than one of my videos and are enjoying the content on my channel, feel free to subscribe to my channel. It is free, it doesn't cost you anything, and it really helps your girl out. Also, if you are enjoying this video, feel free to give it a big thumbs up or thumbs down if you didn't really like it. I have a hard time saying thumbs down, you noticed. Lastly, if you think that this video can help somebody in the curly hair journey, make sure to share it with them, or to share it in your social media if you think it can inspire other people and it can reach other people there. Voila, that's it. All right, my love. So I am going to share with you my go-to hair updo, I guess. I'm not sure that's how you say it in English, but when I put my hair up, I'm going to show you what hairstyle I do, what I go for, what I've been liking lately, and I'm going to show you how I do it. Okay, I'm going to do my best to link all of the accessories that I am using today in the description box, and put it in my Amazon store also, so it's easy for you to find them. Okay. All right, so I'm gonna start with the first one that is the easiest, but that I like the most, and that is taking the hair away from my face to open my face a little bit more. So I will take the front part of my hair mostly, and I am just putting it either to the side like this, and I'm making sure I'm keeping the curl formation. And I'm gonna take a pretty clip, usually something like this. Not sure if the camera is gonna catch it. Something like this. I also have it in pink. You see, it's something. I'm gonna put the pink one today. And I am going to clip my hair right there. Nice and easy. So you see how I kept the roots of my hair very loose so I can keep my curl formation, and I attach it in kind of the top of my hair right here. And what that does, it opens my face so I can see better. I don't have my hair in my eyes all the time, but it also gives me a little bit more volume in the back here. It gives the illusion of more density in my hair. Okay, I'm keeping this side down usually because I like to part my hair a little bit more on this side. So I'm usually keeping this side down. I'm not really touching it, and I'm just opening this side. This is my go-to end of the day or day 2 hairstyle. You will often see me with this type of hair. Right now I'm showing you the side, but I also sometimes do in the middle. So the middle will look like this. I would do this, and this time I would take a different barrette though. I would take this type of barrette. Let me see if I can show you properly. This barrette right here. Ah! No, I can't show you, I have to let go. This is the barrette I'm talking about. So now those clips here are my favorite clips. They come in pink, they come in gray, they also come in blue, but I lost the blue ones. The reason why I love those is because they are really gripping the hair very nicely. This is kind of like a comb in the back here, and then it really, I don't know, it just grips to the hair very nicely. When you have fine hair, even if it's curly or wavy, those clips sometimes tend to just slide down, and this one has a nice grip. So what I would do is take both sides. I would sometimes even keep the part here. I don't mind it at all, but some people like to get rid of it. It's gonna be hard because my hair dried with the part here, so it's gonna show, but I'm fine with that. I'll take one and I'm gonna put it on one side, and then I take a second one right here and I'm gonna put it, everything is falling today, hein? C'est pas possible ça. Oh shoot. and I'm gonna put it on the second side, and sometimes I try to make sure that they overlap a little bit. This feels super secure. This is a little bit more symmetric if you like to be symmetric. You know, both sides are falling nicely, and what I like is it gives even more density and more volume to the back of my hair. I have a nice little cascade of curls. I'm loving this. Okay, so those are my two go-to hairstyle that I would do in a heartbeat. Voila. Now I'm going to show you how I put my hair up. My version of a chignon, where I can keep my pretty little curls popping. So we're staying right here with the front of my hair up and in a clip up there. Now I'm going to use those clips right here, the small size, not the medium. I mean, it depends on how long your hair is. I still have shoulder length hair, so this size is big enough for me. Also, I don't have a lot of hair on my head. If you have more hair, if you have a lot of hair on your head, high density hair, you want to grab a medium size or a large size depending on what you're working with. Okay, personally this is enough for me, so I'm going to turn my back so I can show you what I'm doing. So I'm going to grab it as if I was going to do a ponytail, and I'm going to twist it, and here is where I'm going to close, right here. Voila, just like that. Okay, very simple. And my loves, this is how I go to bed. This is how I sleep at night. On the days where I don't want to care about my hair, I would do this. Okay, so that's another style number 2, I want to say. Okay, now if I want to get a little bit more fancy, if I want to be a little bit more stylish with my hair, I'm going to add a foulard or a bandeau to this hairstyle. Okay, let me zoom out a little bit because I feel like I'm a little bit too... Voila, that's better. Okay, so I have a few options of bandeau that I've been wearing lately. I have things like this. So it's not silk, it's more like viscose, but it's a very silky type of fabric, and it kind of protects your hair. It doesn't dry your hair out. The only problem with this pretty silky fabric is that it slides out of your hair. It slides out of your hair very easily. So I'm gonna have to secure it with my favorite little clips that I just show you. By the way, these clips are available at Claire's. I will try to find them online and link them. And again, those little silky foulard, I bought them at Claire's about 2 weeks ago. Okay, this particular those two, I bought them at Claire's very recently, so they're still available. If you're watching this video in January, you can still find them. All right, so right now I am folding. It's hard for me to show you, but I'm gonna fold this in half. Like so. Okay, I'm folding it in half again, like so. Okay, I'm gonna put this little thing inside, up. All right, and then now that I have a bandeau like this, I am going to put it in the back here, come in the front, and then I'm gonna do a knot. Okay, I'm not looking to be perfect right now. I just wanted to secure it on my head real quick because I want to place it, I want to position it in a way that I like. So like right here, and I am going in right here. I'm going to go in between, in that opening section here, right? I'm going in between with my clip. And I'm going to secure the bandeau right here. That's one. And I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. I lost the pink one, so unfortunately I don't have the pink to match the color of my bandeau. That's why I am hiding it in that little opening right here. So I'm here, and voila. Okay, so right now my bandeau is not going anywhere. Now I can open it again and work on the bow. I want the bow to be pretty and tighter. Pretty and tighter. Here and here. Boom. And voila. This is my other go-to hairstyle. Now you can put that bow on this side if you want, on this side, it's up to you. You decide what you want to do. You can leave some curls dropping down on each side if you prefer. This is what the back looks like. I have my curls falling down. And that's it. I'm loving this style for day 2 or day 3. When my curls are not popping as much and I don't want to go through the whole process of wetting my hair and reshaping, restyling and everything, I'll just do that. I have some curl poppings in the back. You know, it's a nice little hairstyle. Now, the last touch to this. Oh, wait. Okay, now the last, all right, so now that we have this great hairstyle, the last touch to it is big earrings. Because your face is completely clear, there's no curls to frame it. Your ears are in the out, which in my world doesn't happen often. Now you can pop those big earrings. Well, I'm not the type of girl who wears big earrings. I'm more of a like minimal earring type of girl, but I got those beautiful earrings from my friend Katie. I will link them in the description box. When you have your hair up like that, now is the time to pop those big earrings. And my last touch, the last one, after that I'm done, I promise. But just it you know, it's like with this amazing hairstyle, you have to you have to you just do. I mean, if you don't, it's okay too, but it's better if you do. It rhymes, I know, I'm silly like that. Voila. Come on, don't tell me you don't like it. It is bright. I know it's bright. I know, but that's the goal. That's the point. The brighter, the better. Okay, now notice I'm not doing my eyes. I barely have any makeup on my face. Everything's on the lips. Okay, my hair is up. You see my face. I have beautiful earrings, and boom, my lips. You're welcome. So voila, this is it. This is my go-to hairstyle. Another option for the air wrap that I got online, it's from the brand called Wrap Life. This is the logo. I will linking in the description box. I like it. I like this one. It is a nice jersey, a nice solid jersey cotton. They have beautiful colors. They have great patterns too. It wasn't too expensive. I'll put I don't remember, it was around 20 bucks. I will put the price somewhere over here for you guys to know. And it looks also really good, and it stays on your hair. It doesn't slick out. You don't need to put so many secure stuff on your hair for it to stay there. So yeah, this is pretty much all I have for you guys. These are my go-to hairstyle of the moment. Let me know in the comment section what you guys think, how you like it. I am in love with this style right now. It makes me think like, you know, like that commercial, like woman strong power and all that jazz. I love it. I need it right now. And the red lipstick is doing so much to my mood. You girls, if you feel down, go get yourself a nice little red lipstick and put it on. Just put it on. I swear it will make a world of difference. All right, my loves, I'm gonna go. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Let me know in the comment section how you like those hairstyles. What is your go-to hairstyle? I really want to know. And that's it. I will see you guys next week with a new video. Until then, my loves, stay happy, stay healthy, have a beautiful life. Au revoir et à bientôt.
Hey, c'est la vie.